In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a photo on Messages application on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Messages. Then enter a conversation in which you would like to send a photo, and once it is done, first off, tap right here at that plus button. Then select Photos. That will open up your camera roll, and from here we can select some photo or multiple photos. To select a photo, just tap on it. To select one more photo, tap add another photo, and in that way we can attach one or multiple photos to that conversation. Also in here we can search by photos, people and places. Let's say I would like to search for some person's photo. In this way, by entering someone's name, we can filter all the photos with that user, and then we can continue adding images to be sent. As you can see, now it is showing that four photos are actually selected. Then also we can get into some album, and we can add some photo from that album. Basically, guys, once it is done, all you have to do is just tap at done. As you can see, all these photos are attached to our message. From here we can go back and forth to check if we selected all the photos we would like to send. If you changed your mind and you don't want to send some picture, you can remove it from here by tapping at that cross icon at the top right corner of a photo in that way. And then once you are ready to send these pictures, all you have to do is just tap at that button, and it will send all the images you've selected to that conversation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.